Just a quick analysis of what to expect this coming week, 17th to 21st of May 2026. This is Progressive speaking. Welcome to my YouTube channel. The surest gold trader you should know. Very important. And watch this video to the end so that you won't lag behind within the week. You will trade like a pro after watching this video. Okay guys, I've added this shape form to show the demand area or the order block where the price rallied to before doing this impulse correction you are seeing here. Okay guys, I want you to know why the market started selling last week. When you look at this candlestick and this one, it's shown a very significant something. Myself, I saw it and of course acted accordingly. When you look at this candlestick, you find out that when it came out, the week it came out, it gapped down into the body of this very candlestick, which normally market used to gap up or gap down, but this one gapped into the body of the previous week candlestick. What that signifies is that the market is about to reverse. That is why the following week the price also gapped down into the body of the previous week, which gapped down into the body of the third week of this very candlestick. Okay, it has shown automatically that market is about to reverse, and then here is the order block that followed. But the major breakout is this very candlestick, which formed special order block. Here I've placed this shape form. All right, what you should note in the weekly time frame is that this area coming tomorrow to 21st, I don't know how it's going to happen, whether it's going to happen between Monday, Tuesday, or whichever day. Price is likely to come down a bit and go back into this very shape, because it's going to tap into this order block before bearishing down to possibly hear that the price tested initially. So guys, the point here is, in your own chart, map out this shape so that whenever the price comes into it, you will be able to follow up. All right, let's go back to 4 hours time frame and 1 hour time frame, where I will show you specifically where this price is going to come back to, before breaking down this coming week. All right guys, this is 4 hours time frame. I want you to note something here. At this place, the only order block here is at this point. So throughout the last week that the market broke out to form the bearish trend, it is only one order block or demand candlestick that appeared, and the implication is that the market, when the market opens tomorrow, it is likely not going to continue trending down, or maybe it might come down like this and form, then move back. There is every tendency that the price is going to go all up, right, to this area where there is this order block and tap into it before coming down again. That is it on 4 hours time frame, but bear in mind that it's in between the order block of the weekly time frame. The point to note here is that this area is the key zones, right? So every price reaction, that thing you hear price action, the price action, every price reaction is going to happen in between these very two lines this coming week before you decide whether to sell or not to continue the sell. All right, let's go to 1 hour time frame and see whether this order block carries with the specific area to look out for. All right, guys, this is 1 hour time frame. When you look at this place on Friday, this is where the price closed on Thursday, right? So on Friday, the price continued instead of coming to retest this order block here, which is or a kind of point of interest, yeah, which is the recent of the Thursday before the Friday. Instead, it created another block here and continued moving. That is the demand or supply area. Now, here is the point. When market opens, it's going to come down and possibly do this and go all up. Maybe the first stop is going to be around here, 4636 area or 330 area, 4630 area, and do something like this, then continue to test this very detail of this very order block. Very important. Around this area, that's around 4650 upwards. But at the tapping of that area, trust me, the price is going to sell massively in continuation of the bearish trend. So guys, that is what to expect this coming week between 17th to 21st of May. If you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, press the subscription button and stay tuned for more important videos. Bye for now.